Hi guys, today I've got this really easy 1-minute messy bun hack for you. To start, pop the hair into a low ponytail. Then we're just going to lift up a strand of that elastic band and pop 2 fingers through. Take the ponytail and wrap it around the top of your thumb and grab it with the finger above. Then pull it all the way through that elastic band. We're going to do it one more time, so pop your finger and thumb through a strand of the elastic band, pop that ponytail over your thumb and pull it through, but this time only bring it about halfway. So you should have 3 little loops. And we're just going to pinch and pull each loop to make them more voluminous. And then I like to just anchor those to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Then pinch and pull the hair at the crown. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.